Welcome to the MyAmFam dashboard. This video will walk you through how to make changes and add coverages to your auto policy. To get started, tap View Details under one of the vehicles on your policy. On the View Details screen, you can see your vehicle's policy information, view your insurance card and other documents, and see more detailed info about your premium and discounts. When you're ready to make changes to your coverage, tap Change My Coverage to get started. On this screen, you can edit your comprehensive and collision coverage deductibles, add rental reimbursement coverage, and add emergency roadside service. To change your comprehensive coverage deductible, just tap on the row. You can choose from several different deductible amounts. When you've decided on one, just tap the amount and it'll take you back to the Change My Coverage screen. You can change your collision coverage deductible in the same way by tapping on the row and selecting a new amount from the provided list. To add rental reimbursement coverage to your auto policy, tap Add. From there, you can choose a per day and maximum reimbursement amount. Just tap to select the amount you want and it'll take you back to the Change My Coverage screen. To add emergency roadside service, tap Add. You should see a check mark appear, which means the coverage is ready to be added. To see your new auto insurance premium quote, tap View Quote at the bottom of the screen. If you want to start over, you can tap Reset below the quote button. After you've tapped View Quote, it'll take a little bit to calculate the quote for your new vehicle, so sit tight while we get it ready for you. When your quote's ready, we'll show you your current premium compared to the new premium you would have had if you changed or added any coverage. Keep in mind, this is an estimate based on the coverage you have for the vehicle you're replacing. Your actual premium may be slightly different than what's shown here. Before you confirm your changes, you can go back and make updates by tapping Edit Coverage. You can also request your agent's help with your coverage changes by tapping Send to My Agent. If you're happy with your changes, tap Confirm Changes. And that's it! You've made changes to your auto policy. These updates will be effective the next day, and you'll see your updated info in MyAmFam and on my account. We'll also send you updated policy documents for your records. From here, you can tap View Your Policy to return to your policy details or make more changes to your auto policy by tapping Make Another Change. Remember, American Family is always here to help you. Simply contact your agent or visit amfam.com for more ways to connect.